So guys, in this video we're gonna see how do you make a professional thumbnail for your YouTube videos. By the way, how to say that your thumbnail is very important for new creators, because a creator like PewDiePie and Mr. Beast never worry about their thumbnails because they already have a fan base. But if you want to create your own fan base, then your thumbnail and title should be matched. That's what in common said as CTR click-through. So in this video we're gonna see how do you make a well professional thumbnail from Canva. So without any delay, let's begin our video. First of all, you want and go and get your smartphone. In that, open an app called Canva. In Canva, you have many categories like Instagram post, YouTube thumbnails, YouTube channel art, posters, and many things. If you want to make YouTube thumbnail, go to YouTube thumbnail. You have many templates. For example, you select one of the template or select a blank page. Then, wait a second, it's taking categories like Instagram post, YouTube thumbnails, YouTube channel art, posters, and many things. If you want to make YouTube thumbnail, go to YouTube thumbnail. You have many templates. For example, you select one of the template or select a blank page. Then wait a second, it's taking to load. Even there you get a number of templates for free. So I recommend you not to use any template and go to your uploads and start creating. Instead of going to uploads, you can go to your new page, elements, and search gradient, and you get a number of options. If you want, you can even change the color of these gradients. This not nice. I'll keep the first thing. If you want to go back, click on this, and again this will come back. So go to text, keep the heading, how to make a thumbnail that's it. You have a number of fonts here. Personally, I like to use Banger because it looks superb. Even I like Novestel. And there are many font sizes which you can change. If you want, you can change the color of the thumbnail too. And go to FX. FX is one of the best options you get in Canva. Style, you have many styles. You want a shadow, and you have many inserted options even in that. Only few of these video editors have these thumbnail makers of this professionality. So I recommend you to use Canva. And this video is sponsored by no one. It's not sponsored by no one. Who will sponsor a small YouTuber, man? No one sponsored me. I'm sponsoring myself. So if you go still more, if you want in your web pages, you can create animate. For thumbnail, it's not required. And there are still more elements which you can use. Any element you want, like sunglasses, you have many options. If you want to unlock all 60 million